Hi viewers, welcome to Nimlaya YouTube channel. Now we are going to see about top 10 police dog and lifespan. The top 10 police dog first place is German Shepherd. German Shepherd we all know that live up to 9 to 13 years. Okay, the next place is Doberman. Doberman also we all know, some known as 12 to 13 and some known as 10 to 13. The next dog is Belgian Malinois, 12 to 14 years. I did not know about Belgian Malinois. Okay, next Rottweiler, 8 to 12 years. Life expectancy only I am telling. It can live more also. Okay. Next. Lab, 10 to 15 years. Okay. The next place is APBT, American Pit Bull Terrier, 8 to 15 years. The next place is Beagle, 12 to 15 years. Okay. The next place is Boxer, 9 to 15 years. The next place is Bloodhound, 9 to 11 years. The next place is Giant Snatcher. This is so big dog. This life expectancy is 10 to 12 years.